Welcome to the Investing Podcast presented by Tusk Media. The final bell has rung and the market is now closed. So let's move on to an audio and video recap with the Investing Happy Hour.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Investing Podcast. This is your Investing Happy Hour. My name's Intern Austin, and today is not only Wednesday, it's the end of Wednesday. That's right, folks, you did it. I want to say congratulations to all of you listening and or watching out there. You made it through Wednesday, which in my mind, second to Monday, is the worst day of the week, mostly because it's right in the middle of the week. You got 2 days behind you, 2 days in front of you, and you're just kind of dragging your feet until the weekend. But if you're listening to this, that means you got through your Wednesday, so congratulations. I hope you guys are as excited as I am. But let's go ahead and check out the market, see how they ended. If you watched our morning market mimosa today, you'll notice that the futures actually were pointing downwards. A lot of people were speculating that the Dow was going to close down for its 8th day, but such was not the case. The Dow actually finished today up 20 basis points. S&P finished up 30 basis points, while the NASDAQ was up 45 basis points, almost a 0.5% there. Global Dow finished down 18 basis points, and gold was down 59 basis points. Oil today up 4%. Oil is just doing its own thing. And that actually ties right into our winners and losers for the day. One of our winners is Chesapeake, obviously, close connection to oil. They finished up 8%. And another winner for today, AIG. I talked about them this morning. They finished up 7%, over $58 a share, so that confidence obviously did not waver at all throughout the day. A big loser today, QRVO. I don't know too much about them, but they are a semiconductor company, and they finished down 10% following the quarter one results. So for those of you who really know QRVO, and for the investors that know QRVO and read their reports, they obviously did not like what they see, and the stock price reacted accordingly. The next thing I want to talk about, Musk versus Yellen. And this is just something that I thought was hilarious. So right now, as I'm recording this, Tesla is discussing and broadcasting and releasing whatever they're doing, their earnings reports. And as that's happening, Musk is giving out different commentary on, what Tesla's acquisition of SolarCity means, so on and so forth. And to explain it, he said that this decision to acquire SolarCity is based upon, quote, really long-term thinking, and it's part of, quote, his master plan. And just reading that vagueness, I instantly thought of none other than Janet Yellen, who is notorious for saying that the Fed perhaps maybe has a chance to do something possibly, just things that are utterly unquantifiable. You can't prove or disprove them, just so vague. But seeing how related their two speeches are, I think is hysterical. So I thought I would just bring that up. But the last portion of our episode today is a quick plug. Tomorrow we're going live with our Investing Happy Hour. We'll be going live around 4:15 Eastern Time via Periscope. So the way you can watch that is you'll have to download the Periscope app from your individual app store. You can't really watch it without it. But to get the link to our Periscope, you'll have to go to our Twitter, @TuskMediaLLC, and we'll tweet the link around probably 4:15, really close to when we actually go live, because you can't really tweet the link without being live. So just keep a heads up on our Twitter. If you don't see us on Periscope, check our Twitter. I guarantee you the link's there. But Andrew's streak continues. He is still not messed up during one of these live editions, and honestly, I'm hoping he does just for the sake of change. Andrew, this is nothing against you, but I'm the cameraman, and I'm just tired of seeing him do it flawlessly. I mean, he's great at what he does, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like as a viewer, because I'm also a viewer like you guys, I kind of want to see something new. But anyways, we have a good time nonetheless. You should be sure to check that out. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Leave us a 5-star review. We love reading those on air. And be sure to check in tomorrow. Like I said, 4:15 Eastern Time, we'll be live for a special edition of the Investing Happy Hour. And until our morning market mimosa tomorrow, hope you have a great day.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.